All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the Launch X431 Pro Elite. This is a brand new tool from Launch. They've got it available in a corded version or a Bluetooth version. Bluetooth is obviously going to be a little more expensive, but this is a full-featured scan tool. So like any other full-featured scan tool, it's going to have service functions, for instance, brake reset, so you can do brakes on it, maintenance, steering reset, electronic throttle body learn, TPMS reset, adaptive light, AdBlue, fuel ratio resets, coolant bleeds, etc., etc. It's going to have all of those functions built into the tool. This is not a code reader. This is a full functioning scan tool. Data PIDs, etc. This is my son's 2011 Hyundai Sonata. I don't have a vehicle here that has a check engine light for obvious reasons. I fixed my junk. Anyway, we're going to hook to this simply for demonstration purposes. And if you look in the rest of the shot, you can see why I don't normally film in my garage. Going to go ahead and connect the VCI, i.e. the cable, hook into the vehicle. It's looking up, it's asking me what kind of car it is. New diagnosis. Of course, it's going to make you pick US model, etc. Do a health report, and we're going to go ahead and scan it. And again, it should have no codes. Now we got some airbag codes actually. This vehicle actually had the engine replaced under Hyundai's warranty because the engine decided to start knocking. Mother-in-law bought it brand new, so I actually replaced it fairly quickly. My airbag code is for warning lamp failure, which I'm pretty sure works, and weight class error, both are history. I do have a turn signal out. Hopefully that'll come, but I've got both front bulbs are out. But as you can see, full normal scan, just like anything else. Junk code in the power steering. Special functions on this vehicle: electronic throttle sensor reset, relearn, steering angle sensor resets, battery match, smart key learning, remotes, immobilizer, ABS bleeding. Obviously for noise, I'm not going to have the car on, but just like any other launch tool, see data, you can graph. It's a full functioning scan tool. And like every launch tool, when you back out, it does that. Now it'll also do TPMS as well as ADAS reprogramming, but I have not tested either function. I have a dedicated TPMS tool and that programs, as well as I have never done anything with ADAS. So I don't have the equipment, I don't have the space. I can't test ADAS. So hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. Hope this is a little more old school for you.